Hello nieces, hello nephews, it's your Uncle Charles here and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do unbiased price action analysis. And my oh my, holy moly, donut shop. What a beautiful drop we had yesterday for the SPY. I mean, SPY was okay, but Tesla, lordy lord, or Tesla. The other day I must have forgot to record Tesla. Apologize to my viewers, but I did record Tesla yesterday. And we definitely, oh my lord, we definitely covered Tesla in the Discord. I wrote in the Discord yesterday for Tesla. If 326 fails, bearish, with 324 and 322 and 320 in play. And I also wrote for the bull case, bulls need to clear 328 to put 330 and 332 in place. So as usual on Uncle Charles' YouTube channel, we do not do predictions. We just identify the levels and setups so that we can trade unbiasedly in real time. So you guys see, we was either looking for a breakdown of 326 or a breakout of 328 to enter a position. We're just waiting for whatever the market wants to do. Look what the market decided to do yesterday. Boom. Break down my 326 level. Did I mention 324? Boom. Broke down my 324 level. Look at that, guys. No prediction, no crystal ball needed. Just the levels and the setups and our ability to react unbiasedly to the price action in real time, in the present time. Okay? Broke down 326, broke down 324, and it just kept on going so low. Tesla was going low, but the P&L was going so high. Oh my lord, it was on this Cheech and Chong, guys. Incredible. And then, of course, SPY was pretty nice too. You know, if you traded the SPY. I wrote in the SPY update room, 597 is first support, but the chop range is 595 to 599. Now, I mentioned this same thing to you guys in the YouTube channel, and I put until the range breaks, I will remain neutral. If 597, 595 fails, 593, 591, and 589 in play. We play it level to level style here. And then, of course, the bull case, if 597, if above 597, 599 clears, then 600.5 plus incoming. So we're just looking to react. Are we going to break out resistance? Or we're going to break down support? And the SPY made its decision early in the morning when it broke down 597 and it never looked back. And yes, it was alerted. I wrote here 597 failed to let the group know the confirmation of the breakdown. Okay? Broke down 597. Beautiful move. You guys see how we use the levels and the setups to trade in real time? You guys understand, okay? Most people, they're stressed out about the future, wondering where the market is going. Or they're stressed out about the past, having regrets of what they should have did or would have done. I challenge you guys to come trade with Uncle Charles in the presence using the levels and the setups, okay? Now let me give you guys some more context here because it's definitely more context. Is there more downside after a beautiful pullback yesterday? Will there be more downside? Okay, well, you guys recall here, right here, there's a gap. All right, there's a gap. We gapped up, had a beautiful move to the upside, and now what happened yesterday? We closed around 593.3-ish, but in the pre-market, SPY's around 590.7-ish. SPY is at risk right now of a gap down, obviously. But why is that so important? Well, if you guys look here, what happened here back in early November? We made an island, okay? On around Halloween, we gapped down. Early November, we formed an island. Thanks to election, we gapped up, giving us an island reversal. In this context, it was a bullish island reversal. So now we're looking here. We had a gap up back in early November. Today, right around the same area where we had the gap up in early November, we're gapping down. So what are we at risk at now? Bulls are at risk of a bearish island reversal, where this is going to be the island right there. So if we gap down below 593, which we are right now, that is a bearish sign. However, when the market opens, there needs to be follow through. I have support at 589. Okay, resistance at 591, supports at 589. Okay, with 587.5 and 586 below that. 586 is a critical level. It's also a fib level. All right. And we can go test those levels if we break down the support levels that I mentioned: 589, 587.5, 586. Below 586, we have the 20 DMA around the 584th level. So the point is, below 593 would be bearish. And break it down staying below 591 and break it down 589 would be the bearish follow through that the bears are looking for this bearish island reversal to play out. It's got to break down more support level. Okay, that's the bear case. Now for the bull case, for this bearish island reversal to cancel out, 591 and 593 must clear. Okay, 593 must clear. That's where the gap was. Okay, so we can break back above where the gap is, where it gapped down from yesterday, then the island reversal, the bearish island reversal, is invalidated. Okay, so clearing 591 and 593, we'll put 595, 597, and maybe 599 and 600.5 back in play. Remember how I explained how to use the levels on the 15 to 30 minute charts, okay? To how to confirm the breakout and breakdowns using the 15 to 30 minute chart, using levels from the daily chart. Does that make sense, guys? Hope it makes sense. Here's QQQ, also with the nice pullback. Context is very similar to the SPY as far as the bearish island reversal goes. Okay, so below 505.5, QQQ is bearish. Break it down 504 would be bearish follow through. All right, break down 504. We're dropping down, likely drop it down to 502, 500, maybe 497.5. We have a gap all the way down to 492.5. But the bottom line is below 505.5, it's bearish. And break it down more, support will be bearish follow through. Now for this island reversal, this bearish island reversal to be invalidated, 505.5 and 508 must clear. Both levels must clear. 505.5 and 508 clears, the bearish island reversal is invalidated. Now we'll put 510, 512, 514, and 515.2 all back in play. Remember, guys, use the levels and setups and follow the price action. Tesla, nice pullback as well. As mentioned earlier, this stock has literally changed my life, and I hope it's positively affecting your life as well. As of right now, resistance at 312, 314, and 315.5. I'm not trusting any bounce unless those levels recapture, especially 315.5, because that is a fib level. Overall bearish below 315.5. Next support's at 310. Okay, if 310 fails, 308, 306.5, and 305 is in play. 305 being the next critical fib level. And below 305 is going to get a lot more nastier and will possibly, likely, get back below 300. Okay, trust no bounce unless 312, 314, and 315.5 recaptures. As long as below, we're likely heading on lower. 305 will be a good target. NVDA is just consolidating, chopping sideways, guys. All right, I still need to see the breakdown of 146 and 144 to favor more downside. Below 144, I would be bear biased. We're still chopping though, and from right here to end the chop bullishly, 147.3 and 149 must clear. Okay, so overall, we're chopping 146 to 149. That's the chop zone. We might get the next direction once we break that range. IWM definitely picked the direction. Bearishness. I'm overall bears below 232, 230, 228, 226, and 224.5 are all targets and in play right now, as long as below 232. Trust no bounds unless 232 and 234 clears to put 236 in play. Excuse me. I'll probably favor some type of bottom is in if 236 can recapture to put 238 and 240 plus back in play. Otherwise, below 232, stay bearish. Apple, it's the big test right now. They managed to recapture the 50 DMA yesterday, but can Apple put a bottom in and clear 228.4 to put 230 and 232 plus in play? Still must recapture 228.4. If it does, bullish. All right. If we break back below 226.5, which is the 50 DMA, dead cat bounce 225, 223, and 221.4, all back in play. And below 221.4, I will favor the next leg downwards. It's going to be bearish. Amazon, some pullback yesterday. For this pullback to continue, support at 210.5 and 209 must fail. And if it does, pullback time with 207, 207.2, 206, and 204.7 all in play. Got to break down 210.5 and 209 for more downside. And I'm not trusting any bounce unless 210.5 defends that support and 212 can recapture to put the high targets back in play, possibly 215 or higher. All right. Meta still lingering around. Well, yesterday it was lingering around that 23.6 fib level. Gapping below that now, around 573.4. Support is at 572 and 570. If they can fail, more downside is possible. All right. I'm not trusting any bounce unless 573.5, 575 can clear. That will put, I'm watching the 578 level. If we can clear 578, I'll definitely favor a bounce back above 580. Okay. Microsoft, the bulls tried yesterday, but they failed to recapture the 428 level. That's a fib level. I'm going to give the bears the benefit of the doubt as long as below 428. I know it can be tough sometimes, but the bulls didn't step up yesterday. They did not clear that 428 level, so I can't get bullish either. So as far as bullishness goes, 426 and 428 still must clear for me to favor more upside, okay? Because right now we rejected for 428 yesterday. So if we break down 424 and 422, we're likely heading, we'll likely break past 420 and go hit 418.7, maybe lower. All right. Here is Doge. Okay, I will add some crypto. I mentioned to you guys yesterday, if we can get to 100 likes, I'll cover more crypto like Bitcoin, Riot, Mara. Didn't get to 100 likes. Pretty disappointing. Got pretty close though. So I guess nobody really wants me to cover crypto like that. If y'all want me, I will try it again though. If you guys want me to cover more crypto, you guys want me to cover Bitcoin, Ethereum, all that happy stuff, I will be more than happy to do that for you guys. I just need 100 likes. All right, just tap it. It takes less than a second. Tap the like button and I'll put in more work, okay? But for now, I'll give you Doge. And we have resistance at 37.7 cents. 37.7 cents. I mean, we can round it to 38 cents if it makes you guys more comfortable. But yeah, 38 cents clear. I would favor 41.5 cents and then 44 cents. All right, I'm hoping we clear 44 cents, guys. Okay, and if we do, we're likely heading up to 50 plus cents, and a lot of us are gonna be very happy. But we did manage to lose the support yesterday at 37.7 cents. The next support is holding though at 34.5 cents, and if we break down 34.5 cents, the pullback is going to continue deeper down, and I might actually just take profits. But right now, I'm hoping that 34.5 cents hold. And if 37.7 cents and 40 cents clear, there's a good chance we'll head up higher. We shall see. All right, guys. So that's all I have for you guys today. Remember, get to 100 likes. Uncle will cover a lot more than what I'm giving you guys now. As far as crypto goes, okay? Just let me know. Appreciate you guys being here. And if you want, join the Discord. That Tesla trade we had in the Discord yesterday was incredible. Life-changing for some people. Wow. All right. So thank you guys. Peace.